Okay, in this video, I'd like to talk to you about email opt-ins. So you want to have as many email opt-ins as possible all over your website. So for example, on teacherpreneur.info, there's an email opt-in here. There's an email opt-in here. There's an email opt-in at the end of each post here. And all of these link to the same thing. Look, they link to this. And if you click here, links to that. See? So it's all the same. Click here, same page. Okay. So why do you want email opt-ins all over? Because different people are interested in different things. And so, they might be drawn to one part of your site and sign up because of that, or they might be drawn to another and sign up because of that. You can also have multiple lists. So I'm just going to bring this down a little bit just to protect the emails so we have I have 3 different lists, and this list is TPT sellers. So when I click lists in MailChimp, there's this little box called sign up forms. So when I click sign up forms, you can create, I wouldn't recommend doing pop-ups through WordPress. SumoMe is a really great plugin for a simple pop-up that's free. That's what I use on Amanda right now. I have a pop-up through SumoMe. But this doesn't work that well, and it's kind of annoying to visitors. But when you go to forms and you click general forms, you have this little link here to the form, and that link is really, really, really important for getting, that link is what the teacherpreneur info, all those links that you saw, they go to this. And this is that form that I created. And so when you click here, it takes you to all these things. The most important is, your sign up form, what they get when they click that link, and then the opt-in confirmation email. Those are the 2 most important. None of these really matter. It's just sign up form and opt-in confirmation email. So when you click sign up form, you can go over first you can build it, and it'll have like a template for you to change. And so over here you can add different things to it. Like I'm going to click phone number, and notice a phone number popped up here, and you can add it. I can also delete it because I don't want it, and then I'll have to type in delete. And so you basically, you can customize your form. I can even delete this last name by just clicking the minus, and I have to type delete in here to really delete it. Delete. And so, you can customize all of this. The image that's here, you can change it. You can upload a new image. So if you just click upload, you can upload an image from your computer to add to your sign up form. And you can pick ones that you've already uploaded. And you want to make sure that it is the correct size. So let me just tell you what that size is. Oh, I went back too far. General forms. And any width and any height. I guess it doesn't matter. MailChimp has updated things, and I guess you can put any width and any height. But this seems to be, let me just Command Shift 4 lets me take a screenshot and see how big this is 600 by 300. So you can do that. And then when you click design it, you can change the background color by putting a color code in. You can do all sorts of stuff. You can change the header. You can just play around with it. The body area, which is this area. And notice how it highlights, like it's highlighted red, because it's showing you which area you are changing. And so you can change that background area. So when you're done, you just grab this link and you go to your site. So let's say I want to have an opt-in up here on this bar. So I'm going to go to dashboard. I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to add a new page. And this page is going to be called sign up. And let's see. And I'm going to go down here, and because we have that plugin called Page Links To, we can actually just put in that. Oop, that is not what I wanted to paste. I wanted to go back to here and get this link. Copy. I'll paste it here. So this is a plugin that appears at the bottom of each of your pages and posts. Open link in new tab, publish, and then I need to make sure to put that page in my menu bar. So I'm going to go over here to sign up, and I'm currently on my secondary menu. I need to go to my other main menu, select that. And you could do the sign up on the secondary menu too. So I'm going to click sign up, add to menu. And now I'm going to save this. And when I go to my site, I should be able to click it and it should go straight to that sign up form. Now there's also this form, the opt-in confirmation email, that you're going to want to customize as well. So this is the email that your subscribers will get. And so you can leave all of this empty. You don't need to do anything with this because it's already all taken care of for you. You could change this if you wanted, but you want to leave this here because this is kind of like code. So it already has the answers right there. So you can, just like earlier, you can edit the parts of this form by clicking, up here to page. You can edit the margins. You can do all sorts of things. You can put a link, like a bit.ly link. You can put a link to a PDF that you've created and uploaded to like your Google Drive. Let's see, design it. Let's go back to that. So yeah, there's all sorts of things you can change in this email. You just click edit, and then here is what you can write to the people who sign up for your list. Okay, so that's kind of the simple way to get an opt-in on your menu bar. But what about if you wanted like a cute little sign up, like at the bottom of your page, like here in this area? Or what if you wanted a pop-up? So let me go show you, first of all, getting that area on the footer, a sign up on the footer. So I'm going to go to Appearance and Widgets, and I'm going to click the Genesis eNews extender, and I'm going to drag it over into footer 1. And now I need to fill out this form, right? So sign up to receive free TBT advice. Yay. I don't know. And then, okay, so this is the hard part, the form action. And I've showed this in another video, and I wouldn't ask for a last name. You can if you want. Okay, let's see. So the form action is the hard part. So where you're going to get that is you're going to go back to MailChimp, and you're going to go to, let's see, sign up forms and embedded forms. And you're going to go down to this code and you're going to copy it and you can paste it in this box. And you're looking for something that says form action and it's at the top. I think somewhere up here. Okay. Form action. So you kind of have to search around for it. And it's a big, long link that you want. Fname. Where are you, form action? Form. Okay, let me make this bigger. Oh, there it is. Okay, see form action. And then you're just going to pick up this link all the way from one quote to the other. Don't worry about the slashes. So I'm going to Command C and I'm going to Command V, copy and paste. And I need to make sure to put http:// form action. Okay, and then I'm going to delete this. I don't need any of this anymore. I just copied and pasted it so that I could find it easily and quickly. Okay, so now I'm going to click Save and it should be in the footer area. Let's see. Sign up to receive TPT vote. This looks really bad. Yay, go SumoMe and to get a pop-up because that is also part of getting email opt-ins on your site. And again, you know, if you want email opt-ins like this one on posts, all you have to do is put that link that I showed you earlier into your post. And you can even link images, which I'll show you when I do the post videos about how to link an image. So let's go to plugins and add the SumoMe plugin because that is the best one out there for pop-ups. If you want a pop-up, SumoMe, and it's free. Okay, so this is a free tools to grow your email list. So install, activate, and it is now right here. And right here, click here to set up SumoMe. So it kind of walks you through, oh, invalid email. All the steps, really. Okay, so you sign up and then it shows you, you know, this is your Sumo store. Okay, that's where you can sign up to get, the premium version of SumoMe. This is the notifications, like when someone signs up for your list, you click here. Okay, so I'm going to click settings, and this is where you're going to put some information. Let's see. I'm going to save this and click off. Okay, so I'm going to click Sumo Store, and this is where, you know, they try and get you to sign up for all sorts of stuff. So these are the free ones. So you're going to want, you can get the welcome mat, like gives you the visitors like this big mat that pops up. The scroll box, I think, is the one that just pops up. Let's click it. Scroll box. So it is free. Yep, this is the one that just pops up. Okay, so I'm going to click free, open. You've installed it, and downloading, installing this area. Okay, activate plugin. Okay, so down here is SumoMe, and welcome to the family, la 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 la, save changes. Okay, so let's, okay, here's the scroll box. Now it's here. Why does it keep popping up with this window? I don't want to see this window. I want to see this one. Okay. X that out. Continue. Oh, just click continue. This is silly. SumoMe. Okay, so I want the scroll box. There it is. Okay, here's the scroll box. So this is, this is really cool stuff. So this shows you like maybe like 5 people sign up, on a certain date, and it'll show you how many addresses you've collected. This is where you can design your pop-up box here. So you can use any of these. I think they're all free. Nope. See, you have to upgrade to use certain ones. So, click the free one, click the default one. You can change the colors, choose, and then it should, oh, that looks really ugly. Let's choose purple. Oh, that changed the font color. And you can change the background button color. You can change what everything says in here. Lots of different options. And when you're done, you're going to click Save down here. And you want to connect it to MailChimp. So that is going to be in field. Okay, that's not it. So we need to connect MailChimp. Display rules. There is a section to connect MailChimp somewhere around here. I've never used any of the, oh, here it is, services. So you click MailChimp and you click connect, and then you sign into your MailChimp account. And now I pick the list that I want and I click save. And now it should be all good. It should be working. So, and it's active because if you wanted it to ever turn it off, you just click that button. If you want to turn it on, you click that button. I'm going to click the X here and the X here. And the way that I like to test out if it's working is I just go incognito. So I'll click my name up here and go incognito. And I will type in tptlife.info. And we'll just wait and see if that pop up. There it is. It pops up. And then when someone enters their email, it'll be connected to MailChimp. And that is how you get your email opt-ins up and running.